I thank you guys for joining me today. We got some Rapid Grass right here. It's got seed and fertilizers. We're gonna use this garden tiller right here just to scratch up the surface of the ground, throw out the seed, and then put a layer of topsoil over it. Water it 2 or 3 times a day, and hopefully we'll get some grass. So this is the area we're gonna focus on, small area of the yard right here. This is sun and shade, and this portion of my yard gets a lot of shade. You can see right here it's still shaded, and then it gets sun for about 4 hours, and then shade from the neighbor side over here, neighbor's trees again. So this is sun and shade mix. We're just gonna rake this up a little bit using this tiller, and then throw some seed down, throw a little topsoil on top of it, and hope for the best. You know, this is churning up the dirt, turning up the soil so much and so well that I might not even need topsoil. I've seen plenty of guys on YouTube just saying that the seed just needs some ground contact. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and churn this up, throw down the seed and go ahead and put some topsoil on it. My brothers, we got some brothers that said they recently got this topsoil from Lowe's, and it's full of rocks and some mulch, so hopefully we have a better batch. If you're overseeding, this bag will take care of right under 3,000 square feet, and if you're going to start a new lawn, it's right under 1,000 square feet. So this is what we're going to work with today. Tilled it up, raked it up with the tiller, and now we're gonna throw some seed down. This area is small enough, I could definitely throw it by hand. I want to see if I can get a more even coverage, so I'm gonna use the Scotch spreader, and it says for overseeding to do it on number 6. So let's do that. Show you guys what it looks like, seed and fertilizer. So we got that laid down. I think it looks pretty good with the spreader. Got the seeds pretty much spread out, not too much clumped together in one area. So I've watched a few videos where the guys just kind of walk over the seed now and just let it have good ground contact. So I'm gonna walk over it, and then I'm actually gonna put some topsoil on top of it. If I need to tomorrow or next day, I'll go get some topsoil. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow night, so we'll see what happens. Definitely needed some more topsoil. I think I did get some better bags than my brothers did. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk over the rest of this, make sure it's having good ground contact, and then we'll put some water to it. I'm gonna go ahead and till this up again after I got the seed on it right here, and then I'll walk on it. So pretty much all of this area right here I didn't have enough topsoil for, but I went ahead and put the tiller over it again and then walked on top of it. So hopefully this side will come in as well as this side over here that has topsoil on top of it. It does have really good ground contact on both sides. Let's put some water to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Have a good day.